Today, I'm going to teach you how to enter non-taxable IHSS W-2 in TurboTax. If you receive in-home supportive services income, properly entering this information ensures you're filing your taxes correctly and claiming any applicable exemptions. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to open TurboTax by launching your browser and navigating to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your tax return. After entering your username and password, you'll be directed to your TurboTax dashboard where all your tax documents and forms are managed. Once your account has fully loaded, we can begin the process of entering your non-taxable IHSS W-2. Look to the left navigation menu on your screen. Here, you'll see several options for managing your tax return. Click on the Federal drop-down menu, and an expanded list of categories will appear. This is where you'll find all the sections related to your federal tax filing. From the expanded menu, hover your cursor over Income. This will reveal several subcategories related to different types of income you might need to report. What we're looking for specifically is the W-2 option, which you'll find listed under Wages and Salaries. Click on this to proceed to the W-2 entry screen. Now from here, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll see a form asking you to fill in the required fields about your personal and employment information. Take your time and carefully enter details such as your employer's name, which in this case would be your IHSS provider or the county agency, along with their employer identification number. You'll also need to input your own information exactly as it appears on your W-2 form. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, click on Continue. On the next page, you'll be presented with sections for income and taxes withheld. This is where accuracy becomes crucial. Simply fill in the provided fields by carefully inputting the amounts from each box on your W-2 form. Pay close attention to Box 1 for wages, Box 2 for federal income tax withheld, and any state or local tax information that appears on your form. For non-taxable IHSS income, certain boxes may show 0 or may have specific amounts that reflect the non-taxable nature of your wages, so enter them exactly as they appear. And that's it. You've successfully entered your non-taxable IHSS W-2 into TurboTax, ensuring your tax return accurately reflects this special type of income. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.